In this tutorial video of TechTube, I'm going to show you the process on how to unrestrict on Facebook or on your Facebook Messenger. If you have restricted someone on your Facebook Messenger, then any messages that person sends you, you won't get a notification, and even if you open up their chats, they won't be able to see that you've read their chats, and also they won't be able to see that you're online. So these are some of the benefits of restricting people if you're trying to ignore someone. But for this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove that unrestrict from your Facebook Messenger. So you'll need to first open up your Messenger, tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on the settings option on the top right. If you scroll down here under preferences, head over to privacy and safety. Inside of this setting, you'll need to tap on the restricted accounts under who can reach you, and through this section you'll be able to see all of the people that you restricted. Now to unrestrict them, you can just tap on the names and their chats will open up. Now you can just tap on unrestrict and that person will be immediately unrestricted, and they will be able to see you're online again, and you'll get all of the notifications of their messages that they sent. So that was a real quick and easy video on how to unrestrict on Facebook. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified.